Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can create songs by using AI. First of all, listen this song. This song is totally created by AI. And if you wanna know that how I can create this song, so first of all, like my video and subscribe my channel. So let's go to the video. First of all, come to the Chrome browser and search for suno.ai. Simply search this website and you come to this interface. Then click on Mega Song. You see that I have not buy any subscription. You see this subscription I have totally using free of cost. Free trial don't allow us to use commercially. So if you wanna use this song commercially, you at least buy its pro plan, which is almost $8, not much costly. So if you want to create, then click on create option and you can create both customly and on prompt mode. In prompt mode, you can simply enter a prompt like write a hip hop song on my channel name AIToolsBased, in which I teach technology. Then I press create. It creates 2 songs by using 10 credits, which is not much. You can create almost 10 songs per day, and this songs is also not bad. Listen this one.
I got a channel you gotta see. It's AIToolsBased where technology is the key.
And listen this one also.
Yo, they call me the tech guru, here to school you on the latest gadgets and the things that move you. Slip into my
These songs are pretty much better, and you can create customly by entering your lyrics and your type of music. I create random music. You can use ChatGPT and Bard for this to write lyrics. You can select the type of music and select a title. Then press on create option, and this will cost almost 10 credits. Now listen this.
every morning I wake up, the smell is in the air. I stumble to the kitchen, can't wait to have my shit. Every morning I wake up, the smell is in the air. I stumble to the kitchen, can't wait to have my share.
So this is the video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and comment also that you like this video. So meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.